In this video, I'm going to show you how a Visual Studio C# program can be used to bring over 64 values of thermal imaging values from an ESP32 device and put it in a table and change the color of the values depending on what the temperature is. Start the program, enter in the IP address, and we'll set our minimum temperature to about 77, and then we're going to do a connect, and that grabs over one set of data, and we could do 78. Let's see what that does. See how it changes the colors because they're lower than 78. Let's change it back to 77. There we go. Now I'm going to click this auto polar checkbox so it will actually grab over every 500 milliseconds about 64 values of the temperature. Okay. So now it's automatically grabbing over the values about every 500 milliseconds. See the button flashing and all these values changing. And let's change our set point. And on the fly we could also change it to B and C instead. And now obviously we'll have to change our set point. Because of the timing of getting the 64 values into the ESP32 and then pushing them over to this program, if we go lower we start to cause problems with communication. And the values actually get a little corrupted. Because we don't give it enough time to fully get the values and then push them over to this program. Sometimes it'll time out or get wrong values, such as 32 value meaning a 0. Seems to be doing pretty good right now. Jump it up to 150. See, now we're starting to get 32s. But it's still pretty good for what it's doing. Yep, now it locked up. 500. Do one connect to see what it's doing. Sometimes I actually have to restart this program to get it to work again for some reason. Now we got them again. So there's got to be something in this Visual Studio program I have to look into to figure out why it gets clogged up or whatever like that. Let's see, we're still getting 32s once in a while.